Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Wealth Unlimited. Here, in the series of talking about investments to grow your money, today we will be talking about the best IT growth companies where we see value and adding in our own portfolio. This video is not a recommendation that you should buy them too, and I must remind you that stock market is subject to the market risk. The video is for educational and research purpose only. There is a saying by one of the greatest investor, Mr. Warren Buffett. Be fearful when others are greedy, be greedy when others are fearful. And it fits best for the Indian IT companies which have corrected from their top levels. Now, let me tell you why I think this is the right time to buy the Indian IT companies. Here I have a chart of BSC IT index where you can see that our IT companies have corrected sharply from their top levels. The BSC Infotech index reached the margin of 38,000 and it has corrected to the 27,000 levels. Previously also, if you will see that it has taken a support near 27,000 levels and bounced back. So the outlook of the Indian IT companies says that according to the National Association of Software and Services, the Indian IT industry revenue is expected to grow by 227 billion US dollars in financial year 2022 from 196 billion US dollars in financial year 21. Indian IT firms have delivery centers all across the world, and one of the biggest factor which gonna play in the favor of Indian IT companies is the depreciating Indian rupee. Yes, depreciating rupee against US dollar in the recent months can prove to be a boon for the domestic IT firms. This can help them improve their operating margins as most of the IT companies has their businesses overseas. And companies like TCS, Infosys, and HCL Technologies are likely to benefit because they are the largest US exposures and they take US dollar billings. Now, I will tell you about the three companies where we see value and margin of safety, which can have a great potential to grow in future. The first company on our list is LTTS, Larsen and Toubro Technology Services Limited. The industry which the LTTS plays in is computer softwares, and it's a offers engineering research and development company and gives digitalization solutions to companies in the areas such as transportation, industrial products, telecom, high tech, medical devices, and plants. And I must tell you that LTTS also supports Alexa from Amazon for integration in various connected devices. Now, let me tell you about the pros of this company. The company is debt free. Company has a good return on equity from last 3 years, which consists of 25.15%. And company has maintaining a healthy dividend along with the great results. Recently, only a few days back, LTTS showed their result, and I must tell you that the result is excellent. Despite how the TCS has shown their results, there has been increase in sales from June quarter, from March quarter, on year as well as on quarter basis. You can see that the company's operating profit has also increased despite the pressure there is in Indian market, and they are able to raise their net profit and earning per share from March 2022 and June 2021. If you will see the results across the pan for the LTTS, you will see that there is a upward trend when it comes to the sales of the company, and there has been increase in operating market since inception. So I believe that this company is fundamentally sound, and if I have to take a bet, I will definitely take a bet on LTTS. at this price because it is trading very low from its high level point. So you can see that LTTS quarter one results, LTT technology profit rises 27 PC to 274 crore. So these are the some news and why they have been doing so well, because they were able to win some big orders. That's why the company will still be able to growing and will present better results in coming months. So this is the chart of the LTTS. It's a weekly chart. You can see that it has corrected well from the levels of round about 6,000 rupees, and now it is trading at the price of 3,092 rupees. If you will see that it has faced resistance earlier in this level, and now it has become support for for the company. And I believe like this is the right buying level. 3,000 to 2,800 is the perfect level where you can buy and you can have a good margin of safety. There is very limited downside from here. The next company which I'm going to talk about is Happiest Mind Technologies. The company's results are not out yet, but they play in the similar space of software. It is an IT company which is ranked 4 in IT services, which works on the disruptive technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, cloud, digital process automation, Internet of Things, robotics, drone security, etc. The biggest benefits of these companies are the biggest strong points of these companies are is company has delivered a good profit from last couple of years, and company has a good return on equity track record of 38.87%. The previous results, we can see that the company has growing their sales, and since 2019 to March 2022, they were able to increase their sales every quarter and every year. Their operating profit is also increasing from 28 to 73, and if you will see that there has been a rise in profit also from 27 to 62. Now, I'll show you the chart of the Happiest Mind. If you will see that it is again a weekly chart, and it is taking multiple supports, and it is forming a multiple supports at the level of 800, and it is going sideways and volumes are getting dried here. So I believe like this is the right accumulation zone between 750 rupees to 850 rupees to buy Happiest Mind Technologies. The next stock I'm going to talk about is Affle India. So Affle India is a technology company, and they majorly play into IT services and in ads, especially in mobile advertising. This is the company which is focused on mobile. Their 95% of its business comes from the mobile apps advertisement and focus on the mobile advertisement. The market cap of this company is 13.56 crores, and the buying level, which I see value in this company, is between 900 to 1,000. Some of the strong points of Apple India is that company is debt free. Company is expected that they're going to give a better quarter results, and they have again a good return on equity track record of 34.14% in last 3 years. This is the result the company has shown in past quarters, and you can see that again there has been a massive rise in the sales from 75 crore to 315 crores. You can see that the similarly fashion the net profits are rising for the company since they have incorporated, and there has been increase in the profit margins also. Due to some pressures, March 2022 is the quarter where they did not show up a good profit margin, due to which it has corrected well as well. So this is the chart of the Affle India on a daily basis. If you will see that it has taken multiple supports at the level of 900 rupees, and I believe that 900 rupees is a point where you can definitely think about buying this particular stock, as there is a humongous growth in the mobile advertising space, and this company can exceptionally do well. So the margin of safety also increases when you take it or buy it around 900 rupees. So these are some of the fundamentally sound companies which I believe has a great potential to grow in future, and there has been no to zero debt in these companies. That's why the interest hikes might not hamper them as well. That's it from my side. I hope you like the video. And if you want such informative videos in future as well, please make sure to like and subscribe the video. Thank you guys.